Welcome to Willows at Traditions. Located inside the award-winning community, Traditions of Wake Forest. This vibrant community is situated in the picturesque town of Wake Forest and only minutes from Raleigh. Experience exciting outdoor activities with the family at the resort-style saltwater pool, sand volleyball court, and playground. Explore nature's beauty through walking trails and the nearby Wake Forest Reservoir, or gather with friends at the beautiful and spacious community clubhouse and amphitheater. Enjoy easy access to highly rated Wake County public schools, charter, and private schools. Discover a contemporary community with popular features and desirable floor plans by one of the country's most reliable and trusted home builders. Willows at Traditions by Lennar. Contact us today to schedule an appointment.